switch on your mics and you can answer. Equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. What was that, students?
x minus h का whole square plus y minus k का whole square is equals to r square.
Absolutely, its graph you should freeze in your mind that it is a circle whose center is h comma k and radius is r. Its particular case, suppose the circle center is origin, then the center is origin and radius is r, then the equation will become like this. It's parametric equations, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Okay, then general equation, what was that? Somebody tell me, Jyoti, what is general equation of circle? Huh? Jyoti, Neha और नेत्रा, तीनों में से कोई एक. Somebody tell me, what is the general equation? No response. X square plus y square, all are requested to revise the theory part and answer immediately within fraction of second. The moment I say, call your name, please answer. So the general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Correct. What is its center and radius, Uma? Its center and radius. What is that, students? Which is
minus g minus f.
is the center, yeah. And what is the radius? Radius of
root g square plus f square minus.
Bilkul. This is general equation, very useful, very popular, and this is another equation of circle which is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This form is very useful. ये equation हमें direct center दे देती है और ये थोड़ा सा वर्क करना पड़ता है सेंटर निकालने के लिए कि जो x का मल्टीप्लायर है दैट इज 2g, वहां से g निकालना पड़ता है ना. फिर ये काम करेंगे भी एक्सरसाइज में. ओके, नेक्स्ट, इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल व्हेन द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ डायमीटर आर गिवन. Subhashini, what is that? Suppose the end points of diameter are x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the equation of the circle?
X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2
Exactly.
is equal to 0.
Yes, equal to 0. This is the equation of circle when the end points of diameter are given. Right? This is diameter and its end points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, this is. Anything else? I think that's it. This much only about the circle. So let us move towards the exercise. Exercise 11.1, please see. And I told you to do some questions yourself. Did you solve till how many questions I told you to do? Yeah, I think first 5 questions was so easy. I can see on my screen. We have to find the equation of circle whose center is given, radius is given. So super useful this form. When center is given and radius is given, this form is super useful. Use that and get the equation. I hope you must have got the questions from 1 to 5 which I gave to you. In case any question is doubtful, if your answer is not matching, you can tell, we will discuss. But let me take question 6. है ना? आप देख लीजिए 1 to 5 तक कोई doubt है तो मुझे बता दीजिएगा. Let us see question number 6 and Praveet, can you read question 6? And before that a question is written. Can you read that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So
please.
question number, each of the following exercises, question number 6 to 9,
Yeah.
find the center and the radius of the circles.
Okay.
Question number 6, x plus 5 का whole square
Okay.
plus y minus 3 का whole square is equals to 36.
तुम ही बता दो इसका आंसर. सेंटर कितना? Almost oral it is. What
So
is that?
minus 5 comma 3 and
Yeah.
6 is radius.
Yes. So correct. So students, you followed that h minus h equal to 5. So h equal to minus 5. So minus 5 comma 3. ठीक है, आप इसको ऐसे माइनस नहीं है तो आप इसको ऐसे
Sir, you are writing it in center. Radius, sorry. Radius.
सॉरी यस एंड रेडियस इज 6. तो आप इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हो, है ना? मतलब समथिंग x माइनस समथिंग की फॉर्म में होना चाहिए. सो आई थिंक इट इज easy for you to follow. And this is r square. So r is root of 36, which is 6. Super simple. right? It was question 6. What is 7th question? Harshit Yadav, 7th, what is that? Harshit? Harshit is not answering, and this is not correct, not good thing. Sanvi, what is 7th question? Sanvi Anand, what is 7th question?
X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45.
Equals to 0, isn't? To get its center, what should I do? You compare it with the general equation. What is general equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, student. So if I compare x term, what will I get? I'll get 2g equal to minus 4 and 2f equals to minus 8 and c equals to minus 45. It means that g equals to minus 2, f equals to minus 4. So what is center coordinates, Gauravi? Center
Sir,
coordinates?
2,4
Yes, formula. What is the formula for center?
minus g comma minus
Exactly.
f.
Exactly, minus g comma minus f. So this will become 2 comma 4. Bilkul, this has become 2 comma 4. Now radius. Formula for radius, what is that, Gauravi?
Root g square plus f square minus c.
Very good. Let us put the value of g, f and c. This will become 4 plus 16 minus c minus plus 45. This is root 55 is no root 65 is this, 20 plus 45 is root 65 units. So this has become the radius. So compare with the general equation. Formula for center is minus g minus f. G and f already you have found, and radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. Put the value of g, f and c and solve it. c का ख्याल रखिएगा, साइन के साथ वहां पे पुट करना है. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. आई होप आप लोग अपनी नोटबुक्स में सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे. सुमित तिवारी, विल यू रीड क्वेश्चन 8th? Sumit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, question 8th. Tell me what is that?
X square plus y square minus 8x plus 10y minus 12 is equal to 0.
X square plus y square minus 8x
Plus 10y minus 12
equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे g कितना हो गया? हाँ, सुमित? सेंटर बताओ कितना? Center will be how much? Sumit? Just like previous question. Minus
4
g
comma
minus
minus 5.
Yes, 4 comma minus 5 will be center, and its radius will be as per the formula root of g square plus f square minus c, and let me solve it. Yeah, so this will be root of 16 plus 25 minus plus 12. So how much it is? 41 plus 63. Is this? Bolo students.
Root 53.
Root 53 units. Yeah. So simple only. Formula based work it is. Practice some questions or you'll be so confident कि आप इसको oral भी solve कर पाओगे. Yes. Piyush, what is the next question? 9th.
Yes, sir.
What is that? 9th.
So 9th, 2x square plus 2y square minus x equals to 0
Minus x.
is equal to 0.
अच्छा y term नहीं है वहाँ पे?
Sir, it's 0.
हाँ, तो अब क्या करी जाए, क्या किया जाए पीयूष, यू सजेस्ट?
सर जनरल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, मीन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल होल डिवाइडेड बाय 2.
Yes. See, we have to compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. But x square plus on that x square plus y square, matlab x square and y square multiplier is 1. And in this equation it is not 1. So first of all, first step is to divide by 2 and make x square and y square multiplier 1. So मैं divide करा देता हूँ 2 से. So this is going to be x square plus y square minus 1 by 2x equal to 0. Now you comparing with the standard equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And if you compare, you will get 2g equals to minus half, 2f equals to 0, and c equals to 0. So for this, center g value will become minus 1 by 4 and center will become minus g minus f. Piyush, check the answer. Is this right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And radius will become,
Root 1 by 16, which equals to 1 upon 4.
yeah, 1 upon 16 plus 0 minus 0 will be 1 upon 4. Yes. So, only this task was a special, which was not there in previous question. Otherwise, the same work. Right. So, make sure that x square and y square multipliers should be 1 before comparing and getting the value of g, f, and c. Netra, what is that 10th next question? 10th.
Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1,
1
6,
minute.
5,
Yes. 1
and
minute.
center is on the line 4x plus y equals to 16.
Okay. 10th question now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have to, in this question, unlike than previous one, in previous questions we have to find center and radius. But in this question, we have to get the equation of circle and some information is given. That first information that our circle is passing through 2 points. So can you tell me, can you repeat what are those 2 points through which our circle passes?
4, 1 and 6, 5.
Okay. And one more information is given that its center is lying on the line. What is that
4x
line?
plus y equals to 16.
4x plus y equal to 16. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the question and its equation we have to determine. किसी भी सर्कल की इक्वेशन डिटरमाइन करने के लिए या सर्कल को फिक्स करने के लिए यू नीड 3 पैरामीटर्स, 3 थिंग्स यू नीड. You that may be 3 points, that may be 2 points or one more extra information, or in any way 3 independent informations we need actually. So here we know these 3 things. We know 2 general equations. One is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, and the other is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So in this, how many unknowns are there?
Sir, 2.
3. h, k and
Yes, sir. R is also there.
r is 3 है इसमें. और इसमें कितने? This contains how many unknowns? हाँ?
3.
3. G, F and C. ठीक है. तो 3 variables you have to find. Equation will be ready. So what I feel, either you take this equation and use this information and solve it and get h, k and r, or you use this equation and get G, F and C. Almost same time it will take, and as you get the value of these things h, k and r, put there, equation will be ready. तो किसी भी एक equation से शुरू कर लेते हैं. Let us begin. Let us assume that equation of desired circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay. And use this given information. Let's give its name 1. Since circle 1 passes through 4, 1, it means that 4, 1 will be a solution of this equation. It means that in place of x you can put 4 and in place of y you can put 1. Equation should get satisfied. So I'm putting in place of x as 4 and y as 1. So this is will become 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. Let it be 2. Similarly, also since circle 1 passes through 6, 5. One more equation we will get. In place of x put 6 and in place of y you put 5. So 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square equal to r square. This is equation 3. One more information is given. Yeah, that center of our circle lies on this line 4x plus y equal to 16. So means what we can do? Means this, that h comma k will also satisfy this line, this equation of this line 4x plus y equal to 16. Means in this equation also x and y I am going to replace with hk. Also, given that h comma k lies on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So this will give you 4h plus k equal to 16. Equation number 4. Now these are 3 equations and 3 unknowns are there, h, k and r. Solve them and get the value of these h, k and r and put the values in this equation. Equation of circle will be ready. Now you tell me how to solve these equation 2, 3, 4. Somebody please suggest me how to solve these 3 equations. Suggest me फटाफट कैसे solve करें.
First we can equate 2 and 3.
Yes, we can equate. So r square will be deleted and we'll get, after solving, we'll get one equation in h and k. And one more equation is ready in h and k. Solve them both. You are right. Let us compare, let us equate with r square. R square value, let us equate. Circle का काम नहीं, इसको delete कर दिया मैंने, हटा दिया. अब let me try to solve. I request you all that keep solving with me in your notebooks and please match the steps. So from 2 and 3. Left sides I am equating 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to this is going to be 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square. Expand the whole square. 16 minus 8h plus h square plus 1 minus 2k plus k square equal to 36 minus 12h plus h square plus 25 minus 10k plus k square. So something is getting cancelled. What? H square, k square, h square, k square. Tell me, if I take all the things in one side, what will I get finally? Minus 12h taking in this side, it will become 12h minus 8h, 4h. Okay, फिर minus 10k taking in left side, it will be 10k minus 2k plus 8k. Okay, then 36 minus 16. How much it is? 36 minus 16 will be 20 plus 25 minus 1, 24. This is going to be 44. This is, students, We can divide by 4. No, here is also 4h. Keep as it is. Now this is solving with 4h plus k equal to 16. Subtract. So if I subtract, I'll get 7k equal to, this is how much? 28. So k is equal to 4. Here I get the value of k. You also please solve and check. The students, please tell me, is this right? K equal to 4 I got. Then putting in this fourth equation. So 4h plus 4 equal to 16. H equals to 3. Okay. So h equals to 3. Please check. And k equals to 4 I have got. Ravi, check please. Tell, is this right? Then what should be the equation of circle? R also I have to get. So let us put in this and let us get R also. Then we'll write equation of circle. Yes, Ravi, what should be equation of circle?
Yes, sir.
I have got my h, k and r. What should be equation of circle?
तो सेंटर तो माइनस एच कॉमा माइनस के हो जाएगा और रेडियस
ओए,
एच स्क्वायर प्लस
नहीं रवि, नहीं रवि। जब हम ये वाला इक्वेशन लेते हैं x माइनस एच होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस के होल स्क्वायर, सेंटर है एच के और माइनस जी माइनस उसमें होता है, तो क्या हो जाएगा सेंटर हमारा?
एच और के की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे।
बताओ क्या लिखूं इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल, क्या लिखूं मैं?
x माइनस 3 का होल स्क्वायर y माइनस 4 का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर।
10. Check
Yes,
the
sir.
answer. Is this right? If they have given it like this or expanded form में answer given है?
So they are expanded that.
Expanded, तो हम भी expand कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? वैसे ये भी standard है ना? This also is our standard formula. This also is quite acceptable. If you want your answer in expanded form, that also is ready. So simplify and tell me कितना आएगा? Plus how much? 9, 16, 25 minus 10.
So 15.
15. This is the desired equation. Right, students? So please complete it, solve it, and do not forget to match your answer. Check, please check the answer. So आपने देखा कि we started by assuming the equation. Let us assume the equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then because it was passing through 4,1 and 6,5 something, we put both the coordinates in that given assumed equation, and two equations we got in h, k and r, and one more information was given that the center of r circle, which we assumed x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, that hk is lying on the line, तो उसमें put करा दिए, and one more equation we got, फिर तीनों को solve कर लिया, h, k and r मिल गए, ठीक है? तो I hope कि आपको समझ आया होगा, but chance of error is there, sometimes we make mistake in comparing, in solving the equation, so that part only you have to take care. Nilesh, will you read the next question? Nilesh, are you there? Nilesh is inactive. Kuldeep Swarnakar, will you read the next question? Yes, Kuldeep. Are you there, Kuldeep Swarnakar? Kuldeep Swarnakar is inactive. Kuldeep Shakyawal will read the next question.
Yes, sir.
Kuldeep Swarnakar is sending a message. Mice problem. Mice problem. चूहे हैं क्या आपके घर में? Mike, acha, he wanted to say Mike. Okay, okay. हाँ, yes, Kuldeep.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2, 3 and -1 and -1, 1
Okay.
and whose center lies on the line
Hmm.
x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0.
Okay, so this also is quite similar to previous question. Only values have been changed, isn't it, Trent?
Yes, sir.
So I think it can be done easily. So leaving for you this question 11th, in the similar manner you can do and check your answer. Yes, Kuldeep, will you read question 12th?
Yes, sir. Find the equation of the circle with radius 5 whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3.
Okay. Yes. So ye 12th question how to do? Somebody suggest me. Only this much information is given. That a circle is there, its center is lying on x-axis. This is given. Okay. Center lies on x-axis.
Sir, then k is equal to 0 मान लेंगे.
हाँ या क्या किसको assume कर लेंगे?
K is equal to 0.
A, what is A?
Sir, k.
K equals to 0. Center coordinates you are telling, right?
Yes,
so you are right. And after that, I am writing, let the center be h comma 0 because it lies on x-axis. So obviously y coordinate will be 0. Next, what should I do?
So then we will use the equation x minus h whole square plus y square equal to
R square.
25.
25. Then how to get this h?
Sir, then we will use that point given over there.
Yes. Yes. So let the equation of circle, you are right, is in the same manner we can do, or first we can find h0 and 2, 3 ke beech ka distance, which is equal to 5. Then from there h can be obtained. Anyway, can be done. The equation of circle is x square plus x minus h whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 25. Okay, r is given 5. So put. And since it passes through, it passes through 2, 3. So in place of x you put 2. And in place of y you put 3. And solve it. So if I solve, this will become 4 plus h square minus 4h equal to 16. So h square minus 4h, 16 minus 4 is 12, minus 12 equal to 0. Factorization, what is factorization of it? Hey students, 6 2s are 12.
So 6 minus 2.
Yes. I think this should be the factorization, right? Minus 6h plus 2h will be minus 4h. So h equal to 6 and or h equal to minus 2. So two values of h we are getting. So two answers will be there. So equation of circle. Circle is x minus 6, x minus h whole square, x minus 6 whole square plus y square equal to r was 25 or h के place में minus 2 डाल दीजिए. So x minus minus plus 2 whole square plus y square equal to 25. So Edwin, is this matching? The answer is matching, or they have given in expanded form. We also can expand if it is needed. Edwin?
सर ये हर चीज को बेमतलब एक्सपैंड कर देते हैं सर.
इनकी आदत ही ऐसी है, क्या करें, कोई बात नहीं. बट हमारे जहां तक एक्सेप्टेंस की बात है, ये भी क्वाइट एक्सेप्टेबल है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है. ठीक है, आप अपना आंसर मैच कर लीजिए एग्जैक्टली, है ना, एक्सपेंड कर दीजिए, नो इशू. बट दिस आल्सो इज क्वाइट एक्सेप्टेबल. Yes, let's move towards next question, 13th. Akshat Singh, will you read 13th question? Roll number 2, Akshat Singh, Amera. Akshat. I can't hear you, Akshat. There is no response from Akshat's side. He is totally inactive. Ayavant, will you read 13th question? Ayavant. Ayushi Verma. Yes, Ayavant. Yes, 13th question, please read.
Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and
Okay.
making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis.
Can you repeat? Ayavant, can you repeat? And
Find the equation of the circle passing through origin 0, 0
okay.
and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis.
तो passing through origin means कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा ना Ayavant? और मुझे क्या गिवन है कि intercepts on coordinate axis means what? हाँ Ayavant, intercept on coordinate axis means इस फिगर में क्या चीज होगी?
Where the circle is crossing these coordinate axes.
Yeah. This chord which is generated, so this length is given. How much? This is A unit. Correct?
A and B.
A and B. Now I am inviting the comments of you all. That now tell me, only this much information is given. That our circle is passing through origin, one thing. And second thing, that the intercept generated by the circle on x-axis is A and on y-axis is B. So intercept on x-axis means कि ये circle जो chord generate कर रहा है, cut कर रहा है x-axis पे, that is given A, and on y-axis it is given B. Two people have raised their hands. Anyone else? So keep raising hand, है ना? Praved. Praved,
Yes, sir.
how do you do?
Yes,
How
sir.
do you-
सर सबसे पहले तो इंटरसेप्ट y एक्सिस का होगा 0, b और एक्सिस का होगा a, 0, फिर उनको ज्वाइन कर देंगे.
एक मिनट, A, 0, this point and this point will be 0, B, no doubt.
एंड वी विल ज्वाइन देम.
ज्वाइन करा दिया मैंने.
सर सर्कल की प्रॉपर्टी रहती है कि जो राइट एंगल रहता है सर्कल में वो डायमीटर उसको प्रोड्यूस करता है, तो फिर ओ जो है वो यहाँ पर राइट एंगल होगा.
एक मिनट प्रवेद, ये डायमीटर कैसे हुआ AB?
सर वो बता रहा हूँ सर, वो जो ओ पॉइंट है वो राइट एंगल है.
राइट एंगल है, वेरी करेक्ट.
यस.
दिस इज राइट एंगल. यस, दिस इज 90 डिग्री. तो ये डायमीटर हुआ.
तो बाद में डायमीटर फॉर्म ऑफ सर्कल यूज कर लेंगे, x - x1 वाला प्लस x - x2
बिल्कुल
प्लस y - y1 into y - y2.
यस, इक्वल टू 0. रोहित, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. तुमने एकदम सही कहा कि अगर ये डायमीटर प्रूव हो जाए तो ये एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ डायमीटर अगर गिवन है तो हमारे पास इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल का एक डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है. सपोज द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ डायमीटर आर x1 y1 and x2 y2, then the equation of circle is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. लेकिन बात ये कि डायमीटर तो गिवन नहीं है. तो as he said that because this is 90 degree, so please draw a neat and clean figure and write one argument. Since angle AOB equals to 90 degree, so AB must be a diameter. AB must be a diameter. And once AB is proved a diameter, A coordinates we have, B coordinates we have, equation of circle can be written. So equation of circle is the formula x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 equal to 0, and putting the value of x1 and x2, y1 and y2, a0 and 0b. So x minus a into x minus 0 plus y minus 0, 0, y1 and y2 is b, y minus b equal to 0. Multiply and this is x minus a and simplify. Students, check the answer. Is this right? Praveet? Is this right? I hope it should be right. So it was nice, beautiful question, conceptual question.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, thanks. Then अच्छा है ना, छोटा, conceptual, बढ़िया. 14th question पे बात करते हैं. Ayushi Verma, will you read 14th question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ayushi.
Find the equation of a circle with center 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, 1.
Passes through the point
4, 1.
4, 1. And center is 2, 2.
Yes, sir.
So how to do, Ayushi?
So passing through the point 4, 5.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. 4, 5.
Okay, so how to do it, Ayushi?
So first we will find the radius.
Okay. Radius
Yes,
we can
sir.
find. What's the question number?
Sir, 14th.
14th. 2, 2 and 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
So what should be radius of it?
Sir, root 13.
R will be distance formula.
Yes, sir. 2 minus 4 का whole square plus 2 minus 5 का whole square. Whole root.
Yeah, so this is going to be 4 plus 9. So kitna?
Yes, sir. Root 13.
Root 13. So equation of circle will be, yes, tell.
Sir, it will this is x minus h का whole square plus y minus k का whole square equal to r square.
Expand कर देते हैं and check the answer, please. तो क्या आएगा? Four plus 4, 8 minus 13.
25.
Check the answer, please. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो देखा आपने, तो ये तो इजी क्वेश्चन था. तो आपने देखा सभी स्टूडेंट्स कि इन दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बहुत बल्क में और वैरायटी में पॉसिबल है इन दिस चैप्टर. कि कुछ भी नहीं, छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट, बस वो लैंग्वेज फॉर्म में गिवन है. तो एट द मोमेंट आई ड्रॉ द पिक्चर, बिल्कुल मेरे माइंड में एकदम क्लियर हो गया है रास्ता कि करना क्या है. कि सबसे पहले x माइनस h होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस k होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर की तरफ ध्यान जाएगा, बिकॉज h and k आर डायरेक्टली गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज दैट r वाज नॉट गिवन. To get r between these 2 points is not at all a difficult thing. So apply distance formula and you can get. Yes, Akshat Singh, you want to say something? You raised your hand. Yes, Akshat, you want to say something? No issue. Edwin, you want to say something? Your hand
No,
is
sir.
raised. Okay. Then moving towards the next question, 15th question. Somebody read. Saloni, will you read 15th question? Saloni,
Yes, sir.
please read 15th question.
Does the point minus 2.5 and 3.5 lie inside or outside or on the circle x square plus y square equals to 25?
And what is the point coordinates?
Minus 2.5 and 3.5.
Okay. So, question is whether this point belongs to the interior of this circle or belong to exterior of this circle or lies on the boundary circumference. So, I don't think that it is too difficult. One thing is that you can draw this circle exactly and you can locate this point exactly on xy plane and you can see. Without doing that also you can simply bring the equation in this form. And this is true not only for circle, for any other equation. Bring the equation in standard form, x square plus y square plus something x plus something y plus constant term equal to 0. And put the coordinates in that equation. And if it satisfies the equation, it lies on the circle, if it is less than 0, it lies within the circle, means in the interior. And if it is greater than 0, after putting the coordinates value, x value this and y value this, if it left side is greater than 0, then it goes outside the circle. Okay, so let us use this concept. Let us try. So x के place में मैं -2.5 put करने जा रहा हूँ और y के place में 3.5. So मुझे 3.5 का होल स्क्वायर नहीं पता, कोई बता दे.
1225.
1225. ओके, सॉल्व करता हूं इसको. तो ये हो गया 18.50 minus 25. Less than 0 it is, right? Because it is less than 0, so what is our conclusion? So minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lies
Inside the circle.
Inside the circle. Inside the circle. That is. ठीक है. और ये बात सिर्फ सर्कल के लिए ही ट्रू नहीं है, ये किसी भी दूसरी इक्वेशन हो, चाहे वो पैराबोला हो, हाइपरबोला हो, या कोई भी दूसरा कर्व है जो कि 2 डिग्री इक्वेशन से गिवन है, उसके लिए ये काम कर सकता है ये वर्क. ठीक है. ब्रिंग द इक्वेशन इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2y plus c equals 0. Coordinates you put and check whether it is less than 0 or equal to 0 or greater than 0, and accordingly you can write your answer. So I think this was the last question, right? Here we conclude this exercise and the topic circle. Some more questions we'll do, of course, after completing this chapter, NCERT questions. In the end, we will solve some more variety. In this chapter also, like previous 2 chapters, lot of variety is possible. The other reference books, if you see, various questions are possible. So we'll discuss. On the next turn, we'll discuss the next topic, which is parabola. Do not miss any class. Keep your work complete. कुछ doubts हैं तो मुझसे share करते रहिए. ठीक है. Thank you.